In just a few simple steps, I can guarantee you a low-effort money-making strategy that will surely change your life after you finish watching this video. I have found a wonderful website that will pay you simply by watching videos. Yes, you might be thinking, watching videos is something I already do every day. Can I really make money off of this? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can. If you stay tuned to this video, you can easily follow everything that I will be showing you today that will guarantee you a huge amount of profit for something that you don't even have to work hard on. Do you need prior experience watching videos? Do you need any hard technical skills just to sit down for a few minutes a day and watch a video? No, definitely not. That's the beauty of this website that I'll be showing you today. There is no need to be worried about anything because it's easy, simple, and beginner-friendly. For a few minutes a day, you just have to sit down, turn on your device, and watch a video. Then you'll already start making money. It's absolutely insane how much money you can make just by something so effortless. By watching one video, you can earn $3. If you watch 20 videos, you can earn up to $60. Can you imagine earning $60 a day? That's $300 a week and then up to more than $1,000 a month. But what's even crazier is that you don't even have to stop at 20 videos a day. You can watch as many videos as you want and maybe even get to 100 videos to earn $300 per day. This is so mind-blowing, right? I was surprised too. It feels too good to be true, but trust me when I tell you that it's not. This is not a scam, nor is it a pyramid scheme. No selling or affiliate marketing is needed. Most of all, you don't need to invest anything to get started, as all it needs is a little bit of your time. Excited? Don't worry, I'll show you the website right away. I'll even show you every single features on this website so you can take full advantage of it and make sure that you're earning as much money as you can on this website. So let's get started. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider leaving a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions. We'd love to hear from you. The website is called gg2u.org. On this website, you'll be required to complete various micro-tasks in order to earn money, such as taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. But of course, as I said, the easiest one is to just watch videos, so of course, I will more so be focusing on that aspect of the website. But you're free to check out other features that they offer as well, just so you can make sure to earn more money than just doing one out of the many tasks. They pay you instantly through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, so you don't have to worry about payment delays because their cash out is efficient and well managed. Most of all, if you sign up, you already get a free $1 sign up bonus, so why not just try? Right away, you will see the sign up sheet for the website where you will be writing down your first name, email address, username, password, and then your country. No matter where you are in the world, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else, this is something that you'll be able to do. Comment down below which country you're from because we know this is something available globally. Click the agreement on the privacy policy and then sign up. It's easy as that. After signing up on their website, they take you to a welcome page where they detail more information about their system. They'll give you $1 for every 100 coins you earn, and once you get up to $7, you can request a payout right away. After reading, you can click continue and then start making money on their website right away. You will be directed to their landing page. where you will see various offers immediately for tasks and how many coins you will be rewarded. Keep in mind that 100 coins equal to $1, so make sure to focus on the highest paying ones so you can earn money quicker. But of course, we recommend that you just do everything you can do in order to rake up those coins, because they're all easy, effortless, and simple anyways. The more the merrier, right? Now, what about the watching videos part? Well, I was just getting to that. Go to your account dashboard. And you will be directed to a page that shows you different task offers from well-known brands that will pay you to do simple microtasks for them. Of course, you can choose from playing games, special offers, surveys, or videos. But for now, go to videos. It'll give you an explanation that you just need to autoplay videos and you'll get rewarded for the ads that show on the video. In order to get started, you will be able to choose what kind of videos you want to watch and it'll start playing videos for you.
Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Bro2000 and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing kind of a reaction.
It's an unlimited feature where you can just keep it in the background and you'll start making money right away. On this website, literally all you need to do is invest a little bit of your time. It has no other strings attached. Great, right? So as I've shown you, there are a lot of ways to be able to earn money online with very little effort. Even if you don't have any hard technical skills, you only need to look at the right place, and that place is our channel. So watch out for more of our videos. We upload easy money making tips constantly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with all your friends and be able to help out others too.